we have got something to actually experiment. In the test folder you can see this example. If you want to run verify that whether Playwright has been installed or not, you can directly test these from here. This is test example, so type this command npexplorate test and press enter. This will run all the tests that are inside your suite. So right now I have tests and test examples, right? So one test here, two tests here, and demo has oh, it's not running these tests, I guess, because this is more like it's not inside the test folder, right? So when we are creating when we were installing Playwright, we had provided the option of tests, of running of identifying where the test directory is, and we had said that it's tests, right? So inside test we have only example.spec.ps, so that's why you can see only 6 tests were run. And why is it saying 6 tests? So basically there are 2 tests. It actually use workers. In the config section you'll see that we have Chromium, Firefox and WebKit, so it ran on all 3 of them. If you don't want to run all 3 of them, you can just remove those from here. Let's say you want to just install you want to run on Chromium. Now if you will just run it, you'll see the number of tests have become 2. That means only 2 tests which you can see have been run, and it used 2 workers. Workers are like individual processes, so it's run their own instances.